Namaste to all of you. This is the permutations combinations class 4. Already we are discussing about the linear permutations. Okay. Now that too in the linear permutations, yesterday class I given no two things come together. No two things come together. This model I explained one bit. This is important model. No two things come together. Okay. Next, all the things come together. All the things come together. Even this model also I given one bit. These two models, remember that one. Okay. 6 boys, 5 girls, one bit I given. Just remember that bit. Now, today I will discuss one more example. Find the number of 4 distinct numbers formed by 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Then how many of them are divisible by 2? How many of them divisible by 3? How many of them divisible by 4? How many of them divisible by 5 and 25? Now listen first of all. Here the given digits. First write down the given digits. What are the given digits? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So here number of the digits n is equals to 5 digits they given. Okay. Next, our aim is to form 4 digit numbers. So 4 digit numbers means take 4 gaps. That means out of these 5 digits I have to select 4 and selected 4 I have to arrange them like this. So means r is equals to 4. Then according to the formula NPR I can get 5p4. 5p4 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 which is equals to 5 factorial which is equals to 120. So 120 4 distinct numbers we can form with the help of the given digits 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Now out of all these 120, first bit I will discuss with divisible by 2. How many of them are divisible by 2? So divisible by 2 means that 4 distinct number should be even number. So even number means first you have to cross check this gap. So this gap can be filled by which number? Either 2 or 6. This gap filled by first step is filled by 2 or 6. That is how many ways? 2 ways. Work is not completed. Now one digit you filled here. What are the given digits? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one digit either 2 or 6 you filled here. Then if you fill one digit here, how many remaining digits will be here? 4 digits are there, and remaining gaps how many are there? 3 gaps are there. So 3 gaps filled by 4 digits. 4 digits in how many ways? 4p3 ways. Therefore total numbers which are divisible by 2 is given by 4p3 into 2. 4p3 means nothing but 4 factorial into 2. 4 factorial means 24 into 2 which is equals to 48 is the value. Next example. Divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Listen. What is the condition for the divisibility of 3? For example, any one number is given like this. Directly, how you can cross check? Either the number is divisible by 3 or not. Simple logic. You have to add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is the sum will be? 7, 8, 9, 10. So, if the sum is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. If the sum not divisible by 3, then the number is not divisible by 3. That is the condition in order to a number divisible by 3. Here what are the given digits? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Add them. I will add 5 digits. Then what I can get? 13, 14, 15, 21 I can get. Okay. But our aim is to form 4 distinct numbers, that two divisible by 3. So 21 minus 1, what is the value? 20. Means this sum is 20. So automatically any number formed by Any 4-digit number formed by 2, 5, 6, 7 not divisible by 3. Next, subtract 2. 21 minus 2. 21 minus 2 means 19. That is also not possible. 5, 16 not possible. Subtract 6 here. If you subtract 6, what I can get? That means 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 15. So any 4-digit number formed by 1, 2, 5, 7, then the number is divisible by 3 since the sum of the digits is equals to 15. So here 4 gaps are there and 4 things are there. So n is equals to 4 and r is equals to 4. Then how many NPR formula? You will get 4p4 which is equal to 4 factorial which is equals to 24. So 21 4-digit numbers are there that are divisible by 3 with the help of the given digits. Next bit. So here the given digits are 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 are the digits. Next bit is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Now for the condition, what is the condition for divisible by 4? For example, if I take any 4-digit number, how I can say the 4-digit number is divisible by 4? You have to cross check these two gaps. If these 2-digit number exclusively ones place and tens place, for example here something it is there, last 12 is there, you have to observe these two numbers. If these two numbers are divisible by 4, then the whole number divisible by 4. So for divisible by 4, here 4 gaps, since we have to form 4-digit numbers now, these two gaps we have to cross check, and these two gaps filled by what are the chances? 12, 16, next 21 not possible, 25 not possible, 26 not possible, 27 not possible. With 5, 52, 56 possibility is there. Next with 61 no, 62, 65, 67 not possible. Next again 72, 76 possibility is there. That is these two gaps filled by how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways. Our work is not completed. Now 2 digits you fill here. Remaining how many digits are there? Remaining 3 digits fill in 2 gaps in how many ways? 3p2 ways. Therefore total numbers is equals to 6 into 3p2. So these are the numbers which are divisible by 4, that two 4-digit number which are formed by 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Next bit, divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. So for divisibility of a 5, what is the condition? Directly we know the last digit should be either 0 or 5. Here the given digits are 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Out of this only possibility 5 only. So fix here 5 directly. So that is one way. Okay. Remaining how many gaps are there here? 3 gaps are there. Remaining how many digits are there? N is equals to 4, R is equals to 3. Therefore remaining gaps filled by how many ways? 4p3 ways. Therefore total number of numbers which are divided by 5 is equals to 4p3. 4p3 means starting with 4, take 3 factors like this, which is equals to 24. Next bit, divisible by 25. So divisible by 25 means any number. How it is divisible by 25? The last gap should be 0, 0, either 25 or 50 or 75. These are the possibilities. But here if you observe, what are the given digits? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So automatically here out of these 4 gaps only possibility is 25. That's it. So 2, 5, I fix here. This is one way only. Work is not completed. Into remaining two gaps are there. 3 digits are there. 3 digits, 2 gaps in 3p2 ways. So which is equals to 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. So 6 numbers are there. The two 4 digit numbers which are formed by 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. The two divisible by 25. Okay, just listen this bit. This is one more important model basing on the divisibility. One more example I will give. Now one more concept today I will explain to you. Rank of a word. Rank of a word. Basing on this, one example I will give. Find the one example. Find the rank of the word master. MASTER, master. Okay, then here you have to understand one thing. What is the meaning for the rank of the word? Rank means here if you observe, this is the given word master. In this master, how many letters are there? Number of letters is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there. So with the help of 6 letters, how many 6 letter words we can form? 6 letter words is equals to 6 factorial. 6 factorial means 720. So with the help of these 6 letters, if you jumbling these letters, you can form 6 letter words is equal to 6 factorial, which is equal to 720. Maybe all of you know Aparijit movie. Aparijit. Okay. Vikram is hero. There one killer, he kills somebody and he leaves one clue. What is the clue? On that clue he will write some jumbling word he will give. With the help of that jumbling word, the hero will form the correct word. Okay, if you don't know, देख एक बार वो अपरिचित मूवी देखो, आपको एक बार आइडिया आएगा. ठीक है, जम्बलिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं. So either the letter given word is master. In this master there are 6 letters are there. These 6 letters, if we arrange them, 6 factorial, 720 6 letter words we can get. These 726 letter words, if you arrange them in dictionary order, alphabetical order, what is the serial number we have to give master? That serial number is nothing but rank of the word. Once again, the given word is master. In this master word, there are 6 letters are there. If we jumbling these letters, that means by arranging them, how many? N is equal to 6 things are there, R is equal to 6. So what is the formula? NPR means 6p6, which is equal 6 factorial. 6 factorial means nothing but 720. So by jumbling these letters, we can form 726 letter words. These 726 letter words, if you arrange in alphabetical order, what is the serial number of the word master? That thing we have to count. First write the alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, this is the alphabetical order. So in alphabetical order, first 6 letter words, listen all of you carefully. 6 letter words starts with first A. That means 6 gaps you can take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you fix here A, remaining how many gaps are there? 5 gaps are there. Remaining 5 letters are there. How many ways you can arrange them? 5p 5 ways, which is equals to 5 factorial ways, 120 ways. That means 6 letter words starting with A, how many? 120. but out of these 120 6-letter words starts with A, there is no word master since all these 6-letter words starts with A. Now after A, according to alphabetical order, what you will get, mom? E. So 6-letter words starts with E. How many? That means again take 6 gaps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fix here E. Then remaining these 5 letters, you can arrange them 5 factorial, which is equals to 120. That means out of these 720, 120 6-letter words are there which are starting with E, but among these 120 6-letter words, there is no word master. Next, starts with what? M. Okay. Then again starts with M also 120 you will get. But out of these 120, master word exists. So fix M there. Okay. You can fix M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fix M. After fixing M, then again first letter we have to choose it. After fixing M, cancel here M. Then again what is the second letter in alphabetical order? Again A will come. Means here these are the 6-letter words starting with MA. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps are there. Remaining 4 letters you can arrange them 4 factorial, 24. But among those 24 6-letter words starting with MA, master will be there. So fix this one also. Now alphabetical order dekho. What is the next letter? E. M-A-E. So 3 letters we fixed. Remaining 3 gaps are there. We can fill 3 factorial, which is equal 6 ways. Means 6-letter words start with M-A-E. 6 are there, but out of these 6, master is not there. Then M-A after E, what you will get again? R. Okay, again alphabetical order. M-A-R. 3 factorial, 6. Next again M-A after R, what you will get? Yes, but master will exist now. So again fix this value. Then again starting from the, you have to observe M-A-S-E, 4 letters. So remaining 2 letters, 2 factorial, 2. After M-A-S-E, M-A-S, next R again you will get it. Then these also 2 factorial, which is equals to 2. After this M-A-S, next T. T is required, fix it. Again alphabetical order E. E is required, fix it. Then last R, this is the value 1. Then add it 120, 120, 240, 6, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 plus 240, 17 plus 240. What is the value? 257. Therefore, the rank of the word master is 257 is the value. Okay.